Today I'm going to be showing you what the replacement is for any joystick on a controller. I don't know if this works for PS4 controllers, but I'm not sure. See, this is what happened to my PS4 controller. As I tried to take it apart, I lost a lot of pieces, and that's what happened. But I lost the two joysticks from my controller, and you know what really works? Tacks. And this is not fake. I did not glue them here. There's these pieces right there, and this sharp tack can go right in there. And then I have to use rubber bands because I kind of screwed up my controller pretty badly. It won't shut anymore. But anyway, these work really well. I mean, if they were shut, they move like a joystick. Just my buttons are kind of pushed in a little bit. So yeah, thank you, bye.